All right. Thank you for checking out this organizational course for students, particularly college students that are studying something about programming. Like probably electronics or telecommunications or web development or whatever. Not everything in this course is just for programming students. But it kind of everything serves the most of the course is useful for any student, whether it's a college student or not. But I go a little bit further into how to organize yourself for subjects that pertain to programming, like introduction to programming or data structures or computer architecture. So with any subject where you're actually going to be coding, then provide really useful tips for how to organize yourself with VS Code, which is the best code editor out there. So in this course, I teach you how to create an organizational system that you always keep track of the things that you need to do, when you need to do them, the classes that you're going to have, the time you have to study for the time you have to finish your projects, the time you have to study for your tests and exams, how to keep track of various things like your grocery list. You want to go to the supermarket, you don't want to waste time going back because you forgot to buy something. Like, how do you organize your life so that you don't lose track of anything, right? So I'm going to teach you all of that. I'm also going to teach you organization in terms of tasks and in terms of time. Also, how to organize your files and in which order, which is very important. And how to keep track of everything that you have already studied and everything that you need to still study in the future. And lastly, and this would be just for students who are actually dealing with programming, I teach you how to use VS Code to actually do the exercises and build the projects and study for the exams for subjects that pertain to programming. All right, so I hope you enjoy the course and let me know how it goes. All right, see you around.